The Sony WH-1000XM headphones do more than just block noise. If you thought your headphones could not get any smarter, wait until you learn more about this Sony WH-1000XM series headset. I am about to reveal some hidden tricks that will make your Sony headphones even smarter. In this video, I will going to show you how to supercharge your Sony XM series headphones experience with some pro level hacks. If you want to take these Sony headphones to the next level, stay tuned with me. Most welcome to Hi-Fi Consumer. The tip number 1 you need to know about Sony WH-1000XM headphones are advanced touch control and customization. Design the touch gestures. You can customize actions like single, double taps or swipe using the Sony Headphones Connect app. For example, you can set a triple tap to open Spotify tab or switch the noise cancellation on and off. Quick attention mode. Simply cover the right ear cup with your hand to lower the volume and hear what's going on around you. This is perfect feature you will find in Sony WH-1000XM headphone for quick chats to or announcements near you without needing to remove your headphones. The tip number 2 is for multi-point connectivity secrets. Enable dual device pairing. When multi-point is turned off by default, but you can enable it in the app system tab. Always remember that when multi-point is on, then LDAC, which means high quality audio, is disabled. If you need better call stability or you are using iPhone, then I will recommend you use AAC, auto switch between devices. When using multi-point connection, pausing audio on one device makes Sony WH-1000XM headphones automatically switch to the other. It's an easy way to switch between work calls and music without needing to change setting yourself. Fine-tune sensitivity. You can control how quickly the headphones change sound modes by adjusting the settings in the app's adaptive sound control section. The tip number 3 is for hidden battery optimization. Disable ANC when unnecessary. To your Sony WH-1000XM headset, disabling noise cancellation in quiet settings can help your headphone last 5 to 10 hours long on single charge. The other tip is, if you are in a hurry, at least give your Sony XM headphones at 10 minutes charge so you can enjoy 1 to 2 hours easily. The tip number 4 is for advanced audio tweaks. If you are using an Android device, you can turn on priority on sound quality in the Sony Headphones Connect app to enable LDAC, which gives you better sound quality. Just remember, LDAC won't work if multi-point connection is turned on, so you will need to disable that first. The app also has built-in equalizer that lets you fine-tune the sound. You can lower the bass if it feels too heavy or boost the mids and highs for clearer vocals and instruments. You can even save different sound settings from different music styles. Tip number 5 is for voice assistant and smart features. With your Sony WH-1000XM headphones, you can choose between Google Assistant and Alexa in the Sony Headphones Connect app. To go completely hands-free, enable the wake word feature. Just say, "Hey Google" or "Alexa," or to activate your assistants without pressing any button. Speak to chat. Your Sony WH-1000XM headphones can automatically pause music when you start talking. It is perfect for quick conversations. You can also adjust how sensitive it is in the app to prevent it from turning on by mistake when you laugh or make noise. The tip number 6 is for hidden hardware tricks. Auto pause when removed. The both XM4 and XM5 use sensors to detect when you take them off, pausing playback instantly. You can disable this in the Sony app if needed. Wired mode with ANC. You can still use active noise cancellation on the Sony WH-1000XM4 or XM5 even if the battery is dead. So just plug in the included 3.5mm audio cable and enjoy luxury experience. The last and most helpful tip is checking firmware and app features. Always check for updates. Be sure to keep your Sony WH-1000XM headphones firmware up to date using the app. Updates can bring new features like improved ANC and fix any bugs. 360 Reality Audio. Sony 360 Reality Audio provides a deeper, more immersive listening experience for cutting-edge audio technology with compatible headphones like the WH-1000XM4 or XM5. You can personalize the audio to fit your ear shape by scanning them in the Sony Headphones Connect app. So also try this. Now you have these all hidden tricks. So are you ready to unlock the full potential of your Sony WH-1000XM series headphones? No matter it is XM4, XM5. So who knew these small features could make such a big difference in your listening experience? Next time you grab your Sony WH-1000 series headset, you will have a few tricks up your sleeve that most people don't even know about. From sound quality to comfort, these lesser known tricks elevate your Sony WH-1000 series headset to a whole new level. What will be the first trick you try? Let me know. I hope you learned very well from this tips and tricks video on Sony WH-1000XM series headphones. I will come with more and more gear tips and tricks, so please do subscribe to my channel. Good luck, goodbye.